Hey, welcome to my channel. Are you tired of stubborn acne and scars that just won't go away? Want clear, glowing skin using just natural ingredients from your kitchen? You're in the right place! In today's video, we're showing you how to make a powerful DIY turmeric face pack that works wonders on acne, fades scars, and gives your skin an instant glow. This remedy has gone viral across YouTube and TikTok, and now it's your turn to try it. Stay with us till the end to learn the science behind it, how to apply it correctly, and important do's and don'ts for the best results. Here's the best part. This turmeric face pack uses only 3 simple ingredients you probably already have. No harsh chemicals. No expensive products. Just 100% natural power straight from nature. Let's get started. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Tablespoon plain yogurt or milk for sensitive skin. Tablespoon honey, optional. A few drops of lemon juice for oily skin. A pinch of sandalwood powder for extra glow. Now let's understand why each ingredient works. Turmeric. This golden spice is loaded with curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial compound. It helps fight acne-causing bacteria, reduces redness, and lightens scars over time. Yogurt. Rich in lactic acid, yogurt exfoliates dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and brightens the complexion naturally. Honey, a natural humectant and antibacterial agent. It soothes inflamed skin, prevents breakouts, and moisturizes without clogging pores. Optional additions like lemon juice help with oil control and vitamin C boosts, while sandalwood helps soothe irritated skin and adds a natural brightness. Step 1. In a clean bowl, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Step 2. Add 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Step 3. Mix in 1 tablespoon of honey. Step 4. Optional. Add a few drops of lemon juice or a pinch of sandalwood powder. Stir well until you get a smooth, paste-like consistency. That's it. Your magical acne and scar-fighting face pack is ready. Here's how to apply it for best results. Wash your face with a mild cleanser and pat dry. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply the mask evenly to your entire face. Focus on areas with acne or dark spots. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water using gentle circular motions. Pat your skin dry and apply a light, natural moisturizer or aloe vera gel. Repeat this process 3 times a week for visible results. People from all over the world have tried this mask, and the results are amazing. One UK-based skincare blogger said her acne reduced in just 7 days of use. Another viewer commented, "My skin feels softer, clearer, and brighter. This turmeric mask is a game changer." The best part? You don't need expensive products or fancy tools, just what's in your kitchen. A few important tips to keep in mind. Always do a patch test before first use, especially if you have sensitive skin. Turmeric can stain fabrics, so wear an old t-shirt and use a dark towel. If turmeric leaves a yellow tint on your face, use a milk-soaked cotton ball to wipe it off. Avoid going out in the sun immediately after applying lemon juice. If you have dry skin, skip the lemon and add a few drops of coconut oil. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more natural skincare tips, home remedies, and trending beauty hacks. Comment below if you've tried this face pack or if you want more DIY recipes for glowing skin, acne control, or anti-aging. We post new videos every week for skincare lovers like you. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay natural,